Hello foodies, Assalamu alaikum. Today's feast is chicken karahi. This is one of my favorite recipes from Pakistan and I learned this recipe from my Pakistani friend at Saudi Arabia. I always remember her when I prepare this wonderful recipe as it tastes better than any restaurant or dhaba. So without wasting any more time, let's march towards the kitchen. Meanwhile, first time visitors, please do subscribe, and those who have already subscribed, thank you so much and keep supporting. Let's heat a wok or kadahi. Now add half cup of oil and then sprinkle half teaspoon of salt. This will prevent the oil from spluttering when the chicken is added. So this is the first tip of today. Now add half kg of chicken and stir fry it until it turns slightly golden. Let the flame be high, else the chicken will ooze out a lot of water. Meanwhile, we will roughly chop the green chilies and also stir the chicken in between. Now let's add the green chilies. The chilies which I have used are less hot. Now include the tomatoes. I have cut 4 medium-sized tomatoes randomly into halves and quarters. Give it a stir. Cover it and cook until they soften under medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll cut the ginger into juliennes. Now let's remove the skin from the tomatoes. They get easily peeled off as they have softened well. It's completely your choice, but still the traditional recipe they remove it. This is one of the easiest recipe because it doesn't require any pre-preparation like thinly sliced onions or finely chopped tomatoes, etc. But yeah, it requires a little extra oil because we do not add any water. We let the chicken cook in its own water and as well as the water released by the tomatoes and yogurt. Mash the tomatoes well and then add ginger garlic paste. I have taken 1 tablespoon of each. Mix it well and then add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. We require very less turmeric powder as we do not want our gravy to be yellowish in color. And then add half teaspoon of salt. I have used pink salt and again it's your choice, you can use any salt as you like. Here comes the main ingredient of the recipe, that is the curd. I have taken 4 tablespoons of curd for half a kg of chicken. Stir well to avoid lumps. And then cover it and cook under medium-high heat for about 5 to 10 minutes until the oil starts to separate from the curd. Now it's time to add the remaining spices one by one. I have used 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder as this is less spicy when compared to the normal chili powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Turn the heat to low as we do not want to burn the spices. Now add black pepper powder quarter teaspoon and quarter teaspoon of cumin powder as well. Now add few coriander leaves which are finely chopped. Cover it and cook under low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Look at the beautiful color. Finally, it's time to add the 4 magic spices, which are 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves. The most important of all the ingredients is the fenugreek leaves. It adds a special aroma to the dish. Now let's garnish with coriander leaves, ginger juliennes, green chilies and a squeeze of lemon. I have used half a lemon for half kg of chicken. Cover it for 2 minutes and let the flavors blend well. It's all done and ready to serve. This is a must-try recipe and I swear you will love it. This tastes amazing with all the flatbreads and especially tandoori roti. Do try it in any Pakistani hotel, or if not possible, you can try it at home by watching this recipe and enjoy yourselves. Thank you so much for watching, and do comment the recipes you would like to see on the forthcoming videos. See you all with another recipe. Until then, stay safe, stay happy and feast yourself, dear foodies.